Yo, what's going on, guys? I haven't really did much of an intro or anything. I'm just out on the water, you know, having a good time fishing. It's currently raining pretty good. But I'm actually back in this cove. I'm going to chill by this waterfall for a little bit. You know, look how cool is that? Make some casts, maybe wait for the rain to die down. I think I hooked onto like maybe a catfish or something, I don't know. Either it was like it was a 10-pound bass because it broke off. I broke off on it. It started taking off. It felt like a boulder pretty much, but you'll have that on them big jobs, you know. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'm sorry the GoPro, it's in the waterproof case, it's pouring the rain. I don't want it to get wet or anything, so the audio is going to be garbage on it, I already know. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'll see you guys. Woo.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia, and making the most of
Alrighty, boys, looks like we're coming on a pattern. I'm losing a lot, but I'm finally now catching some. We just caught two back-to-back casts. We're gonna let this bubby go. See you, bye. So stay tuned. Maybe I can catch a big old hoss daddy. Guys, I'm literally sitting underneath this tree right now. Well, I'm actually kind of drifting off because I'm recording, but I'm literally just sitting here catching fish, dude. Like, I've caught so many fish off camera that's not even funny. I've just been sitting here. They're little dinks, but I mean, still, it's just been awesome. Hey, I'm gonna try to make my way back, and hopefully, well, I think all my GoPro batteries are dead, so I mean, hopefully, I'll catch one, a couple more for the video. I don't know, but yeah, I'll see you guys.